Afternoon guys, hope you're all well. So slightly different video today. Now most of you that follow us on our YouTube channel see us working on all ages and values and makes and models. Now today we've been working on this 2002. It's a Laika motorhome, coach built motorhome on a Fiat Ducato base or chassis, but it's the older model, so it's pre-2006. This is a 2002 model, and just goes to show it doesn't really matter what you drive. If it's your pride and joy, if it's your motorhome, you've just bought it, you bought it cheap and you want some mod cons, then that's the reason why this gentleman is visiting us. Now inside here, he'd be happy for me to say that it's quite interesting. There's lots of gizmos and gadgets going on and some poorly fitted stuff, but he has inherited this or purchased this, so it's work in progress, put it that way. Now it's been in today for us to fit our 5G Compact Smart Pro Wi-Fi system. So what we're going to do is you're going to follow me onto the roof, tell you a bit about the antenna, how we fitted it, why we fitted it, and then jump in and show you the actual 5G router. So we're on a bright sunny day in July, and yes, you would hope it to be bright and sunny and nice and warm. We just thought we'd cover a little bit about the antenna because we get up on the roof of these motorhomes on an almost daily basis, and every single one differs in terms of equipment that's been fitted from factory, equipment that's been added and other such things. What we need to do is when we're fitting a Wi-Fi system is assess the main area that we can fit an antenna on the roof. Safely get in from the other side once we've drilled through, we then seal, and then of course we need a decent 12 volt supply. That's either from a 12 volt aux battery setup or from a lighting circuit. Either way, it's fused and switchable. Part of the process here is once we've measured, we'll then clean the roof, drill a pilot hole and use a Starrett hole saw, and we then hole saw all the way down through into the body very carefully. And once we've hoovered up this area, we then Sikaflex around the hole, fit the cabling down through, fit the mount, and then from up underneath we then put the nut on and screw that on and then make good. So the antenna itself is the most important thing. It's the reason why these are so successful as a standalone product, and that is because if you're using your own data on your mobile phone in your motorhome, then you're in a Faraday cage, you're in a tin can, and of course that's the reason why this is never going to work as well as something like this. We've got a dedicated antenna that's 4G, 5G, and it's saying to the networks, I'm here. So depending on what network SIM card you've got in the router, and depending on where you are in the UK or in Europe, and providing you're in range of the network for the chosen SIM card you're using, that is important as well. You could have the best system in the world. You could be on the highest field in the middle of wherever, but if there's no decent mobile network for the network that you choose, then this system is not going to work. And unfortunately that's nothing down to us or the manufacturers of the equipment, it's down to the network and the lack of coverage in places in the UK. Most cities now have 5G, that's fine. They're even discussing now 6G. But when you're out rurally in a campsite, you may only get 4G. So the very best thing you can do is have something like this that then grabs the signal, brings it in, and multiple users and devices can connect to the Wi-Fi network. So that's the Wi-Fi system fitted. White antenna, white roof. If you've got a black vehicle, then we can fit it on there. Even if you've got a grey vehicle, we can also fit black. That's the 5G antenna fitted, and then we'll have a quick look inside, look at how it all works. For those of you that are new to the channel and those of you that watch our videos regularly, you'll see that, you know, technology has moved on an awful lot. Whether we're working on a 23-year-old vehicle like this or a 2025 vehicle, in essence, they're pretty much the same. They are very thin, lightweight devices, products, materials built for you to be able to sit, eat, relax, sleep, shower, and everything else, use the toilet. But of course, as technology has moved on, things have got a lot more refined. Now, I say this because this vehicle has got a lot of old halogen lamps in there that are hot to touch, that burn through your leisure battery. We've got a couple of big panels on the roof, you know, even things like a little light above your head, really old fashioned. But of course, back in the day, actually 23 years ago, it was fine, it was doing its job. But what we have done is when this customer then drives away from us today, we have then provided a solution to a problem for him. We've now, in a nice neat cupboard, we've now fitted the 5G Wi-Fi system. Now the 5G Wi-Fi system is connected into a fused power supply behind here. This is a router that can then also be removed on a portable use if you want to, so you can unplug the two antennas and the power. It's fully charged, it's got a battery in there as well, and then it's then connected to the roof antenna at the top here. So in essence, that's all you need. You can have multiple devices connected to this, so you can have two or three phones, 4 phones, an iPad, a computer, a smart TV, all sorts of different things connected to this, and that's the joy of having a dedicated Wi-Fi system rather than using a mobile phone, for instance, that can then have use this as a hotspot. It makes things a lot quicker and more streamlined. So if you want Wi-Fi and you haven't got Wi-Fi, or you have and it's not working, or it's old, then do get in touch with us. The Smart Compact Pro is a lot smaller than a lot of others that we have seen and fitted before. It really has got quite a small footprint. Apart from the charging cable here that comes out of the back of the box, we've got the antennas in and the antennas out and the power, and these are all, you know, necessity really for what we need to do. And on the back here, you can just about see it, there's a little rocker switch, and that rocker switch just turns and isolates the power. So website link is always in the bottom of our bio, but if you want to, just Google Motorhome retrofits. If you've got any questions, you want a quote, or are unsure about what product is right for you and your vehicle, then do get in touch with us. My name's James. I, along with Jason here, reply to most of the emails that are inbound, and we're getting an awful lot of contact forms and emails, so please don't hold off, get in touch with us. We're based in Poole in Dorset on the south coast, which is a beautiful area, and we can get you booked in to get something done on your vehicle. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.